Here coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. And just to let you know, next week's theme will be kites. So if you have a kite, just make sure, join in on our challenge. And that's for hashtag two crafters, one design. I'll have everyone's links down below, which will be Jillian Norwood, which is the host of Saturday Morning Makes, as well as myself, Mo Creations. Girlia's cards, which is Gloria, and Lisa, which is You See Why I'm a Diva. Let's jump in. So this week we had umbrella. And so this was the umbrella I had in my stash. That's the one I'll be using. Then the sentiment that I'm using, it is right here. Sorry, you're under the weather. And this set came from Scrapbooking Queen, and it's called Royal Pain. Not sure if she's still selling those. And then this set came from Stamp Anything, and I love this set. It was so perfect for the umbrella. Let me show you how that turned out. Here we go. Love, love, love it. I thought that little squiggly background, I think that's what it's called. Squiggly matte die is what it's called. But I thought it was perfect, and it just kind of reminded me of a puddle. I added water splashes on there, the color that I used, that prize ribbon, and then there goes that. Sorry, you're under the weather. And I used the Versifying Claire Nocturne ink for that, and I used this paper pack, which came from My Creative Time. I just thought it was just perfect, and accented that with enamel dots, and voila. But I love that background die. I absolutely love it. And then I also added it in the inside. All right, so that's what I have for you. Make sure you join in on the challenge next week. And once again, that will be kites. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.